We are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. Match the terms in group 1 with items in group 2. Group 1 consisting of LED, avalanche photodiode, tunnel diode, laser, and group 2 is heavy doping, coherent radiation, spontaneous emission, current gain. So out of this one, we know the basic thing is nothing but tunnel diode is highest doped among all the diodes. Tunnel diode is nothing but heavily doped. That implies nothing but tunnel diode can be given one option. Next, out of LED and laser. Laser and LED, there are two different types of emission phenomena. One is nothing but spontaneous emission, the other is stimulated emission. Okay, LED follows spontaneous emission. LED follows spontaneous emission. And the major characteristics of laser. Laser is going to be having two important characteristics. One is nothing but stimulated emission. Stimulated emission. Stimulated emission. That is nothing but based on the input. Okay, the emission depends. The name itself, laser, light, activated, stimulated emission of radiation. LASER, light activated stimulated emission of radiation, that itself. And one more thing is nothing but it has coherent in nature. Coherent is nothing but whatever the how many number of photons are generated, all the photons will be having 0 degrees phase. That is nothing but they are all equiphase. Okay, so because of that one only there is no phase difference, and that can be traveled by longer distances. So the two important characteristics are nothing but stimulated emission and coherent. And so from this one, avalanche photodiode, we can say it as coherent radiation. So directly we can give 2. And the last one is nothing, sorry, laser is going to be given as 2, and laser is given as 2. Now avalanche photodiode is nothing but it will be given the 4 current gain. Photodiode implies nothing but generally the output current of photodiode is directly proportional to the light applied. But avalanche photodiode is going to be a special case where the sensitivity is very high. Even though you are applying a small amount of light also, first of all initially reverse current is going to be generated due to the presence of light, and that light is going to be internally amplified by using internal gain. Okay, and after that one it will be produce the actual current required. So avalanche photodiode will be provided internal current gain, which is not possible in other photodiodes. This is a specialty of avalanche photodiode, which can provide internal gain. The construction of avalanche photodiode is going to be looks like this one. This is avalanche photodiode, which will be having P N junction, and afterwards here you are getting P plus and N junction, N plus junctions. So whenever you are applying a voltage like this, to make it as reverse bias, we will apply like this. So there are two regions. One is nothing but absorption region. This region is going to be called as, during this portion, absorption region. Absorption region is nothing but whenever light is emitted, at that time that will be absorbed, and the minority carriers are going to be generated across this reverse bias PN junction. And after getting the minority carriers, they will be small in number, and that minority carrier are going to be multiplying during this portion of region M. That is, this is multiplication region, and the above before that one is absorption region. In absorption region, the current is, that is, in absorption region light is absorbed and covalent bonds are going to be breaking, so that minority carriers are generated. By using avalanche effect, avalanche multiplication effect, by applying controlled reverse bias voltage, we can increase the current by a factor of M. That M is nothing but multiplication factor. So that reverse saturation current generated by the light is very small, which will be multiplied by m in this multiplication region, and output current is going to be now very large. That's why even though you are applying a small light itself, output current will be large because it provides internal current gain in the multiplication region. Okay, so that avalanche photodiode will be given the current gain. So P3 and Q1 Q4 R1 S2, that is nothing but answer is C. Thank you.